Everyone wants the ultimate all-in-one pool cleaner. So if you got the money, these are two that you have to compare. First up, we have the Aiper Scuba Pro Max, and then we have the Beatbot 2 Ultra. But the truth is, both of these win in completely different ways. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the 5 key differences to help you make a better buying decision. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to let you know that both Aiper and Beatbot has sent me out review units to check out for you guys, but I do not allow any other types of sponsorships on any of my channels. Now, obviously, its cleanability and its price are the most important factors, which we will definitely get into. But starting off with number 1 is its weight and overall design, and both these are big, heavy boys. The Aiper comes in about 33 pounds, where the Beatbot is a little bit lighter, coming in at 30 pounds. But if you're not a bigger, stronger person that can carry these and move these things around, plus when you gain these things out of the water, you have to add that water weight, which you can leave by the poolside for a second, but you still have to be able to get out of the pool, which is probably 50 pounds easily, then neither one of these are good for you. And there's better options, which I'll talk more about later, where you can have 2 pool cleaners. But if you're looking for all-in-one, you do have to deal with the additional weight. Being able to clean the floor, the walls, the water line, and a surface. All the all-in-one pool cleaners are just bigger pool cleaners because it has to have more things. And the overall design is just a big machine. Now, when it came to battery life, both of these are about the same, depending on what mode that you have them in. If you have it in auto, you're going to get about that 4 or 5 hour mark, where it's going to do the walls and water line, the floor, and then skimming at the end until the battery is dead. If you're going to do only skimming, you're going to get even more hours, probably closer to 10. And both these are pretty identical in its battery life. And then both these are loaded with sensors. There are more sensors on the Aiper, which might do better if you have a ledge. I don't have a ledge, so I'm not able to test it out how it does on ledges or tanning decks. But both these are loaded with sensors, and you can see on the Beatbot, there's even a camera to help navigate it. And we're talking about its cleaning ability and how it navigates later on, but just know both these are loaded with sensors. And then when it came to the debris basket, both these are very similar in size and design, but one of the nice things about the Aiper is that it does open up from the bottom, where you can then blow water through, and it's just easier to get that debris out. Where on the Beatbot, you have to squirt the water in and it comes out the same way that it squirts in, and it just takes longer to get debris out. Nevertheless, it's not that hard, it just takes longer. And then both of these have the front brushes, the rear brushes. And the nice thing about the Beatbot, they even have brushes for the side when it's skimming, which we'll talk more about its cleaning skimming ability later, where those brushes come into play. But as far as brushing the floor, brushing the walls, and the water line, they both have very similar brushes. And the water intake, where it's pulling in water and debris, are very similar also. But what's different is its exhaust, or its jets. On the Aiper, they have jets on the top and on the rear. So when it's in skimming mode, I guess it reroutes that to come out the rear to push it forward. Where on the Beatbot, they just have that one jet on the top. And the placement of that is good enough to have in the water when it's skimming also. So it kind of dips down the back, and you can see the water coming out the top, but also pushing it forward. So the exhaust jets are totally different in here, and they also have different gallons per hour that's pushing through here. Now on the Aiper, it's rated at 8,500 gallons per hour, where the Beatbot is only 5,500 gallons per hour. Now I'm not saying one is better than the other, that's just their rating. It really comes down to their cleaning performance. I really could care less about its specs. although they are different, which leads into number 2, which is also very different, is the way they charge these up. But let's take a break here. If you guys are new here and you find this helpful, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like button at it. And if you want to get all the information in a nice chart, I will be doing a pool comparison chart on my website, so definitely check out that link down below. And now let's get back to the way that these things charge up. On the Beatbot, there is a included dock. Love to seeing the dock. I hate plugging in wires in these water accessories. So placing this on a dock is definitely the way to go. And you can see the 2 little charging pads at the bottom of the unit, and those matches up to the charging pads on the dock. Where on the Aiper, it's very similar. You do have a dock, but instead of these little charging pads, you have a wireless charging, like a Qi charger, which is really cool. It's the first one and only one that I know of that has like this Qi charging dock, which is really cool. In addition, that dock, that wireless dock, can be installed into the Aiper Caddy. Although it's additional purchase, it does help you move that bigger, heavier pool cleaner around the pool, maybe into a pool house or into the garage. It's not going to help you get it out of the pool, but once it's out of the pool and you can put it onto the caddy, and you can move it around whenever you need to, a lot easier than trying to carry it. And now for number 3 is some additional accessories or abilities, where on the Aiper, it also includes a ultrafine filter in the purchase, where you can't even get an ultrafine filter for the Beatbot. So if that's a must-have, where you have algae or smaller debris that you want to pick up and get out of your pool, if you have a need for that, it's nice that Aiper includes that. Unfortunately, Beatbot doesn't offer that. But Beatbot does offer a clarifying agent that you can dispense in its skimming mode. Now, I didn't see any difference when this thing was dispensing, so I have a pretty clean, clear pool, and I just don't see any difference or benefit in that clarifying agent, and that's not something I'm going to be purchasing moving forward. But if you have a need for it, then Beatbot is the one that does have that. And the Aiper has something called the HydroCom Pro, and they have a couple different models depending on if you want to be able to talk to your pool cleaner when it's underwater, where you normally cannot. But if you do buy the HydroCom Pro, you can communicate with the Aiper when it's underwater. Unfortunately, you cannot steer it when it's underwater, so you can't direct it to debris, but you can change its cleaning mode, and you can also recall it to the surface. Otherwise, that HydroCom Pro is just in the water to read your water levels and report that back to the app. And unfortunately, the Aiper still does not have any ability to steer like the Beatbot when it's on top, which is really cool, so you can steer it to the debris. So I would say the Beatbot app is a little bit more useful and have more abilities. And that leads into my 4th thing, is its cleaning abilities. And I gotta tell you, when it's underwater, when it's doing the walls, the water line, the floor, both these are very similar, and they both do a terrific job at cleaning. They both map out your pool and go in straight lines, which is really nice. Neither one of these are going to really do steps. It might end up on a step, but it's really not cleaning it. But the big cleaning difference that I can see is in its skimming ability, where the Beatbot hands down is so much better at skimming. Yes, the Aiper will eventually get to everything, but it does take a while, and it misses a lot of stuff or pushes stuff out of the way rather than sucking it in. Where the Beatbot, it actually, when it's on the edge, it speeds up, has those little side turning brushes that kind of direct everything in there, where the Aiper just sits too low and it moves too slow, and it just pushes stuff sideways rather than in the debris basket where it needs to be. So yes, it will eventually get it all in there. It just takes a lot longer. So if you have a big windstorm and you have a lot of stuff that you need to clean up quickly and before the next gust of wind blows even more stuff in, the Beatbot is definitely a lot better at that. And you can see a huge difference between the skimming ability of the Beatbot versus the Aiper. But that comes at a price, which is the 5th thing that you need to know and consider. Right now, the Beatbot is over $1,000 more than the Aiper. Yes, $1,000 more, where it's already expensive, and it's even more expensive. So is it worth it? if you have a lot of trees and a lot of windstorms and you have to have a all-in-one pool cleaner, then having that better skimmer is a huge plus. But if you don't need a all-in-one and you can live with 2 pool cleaners, which I think is a better choice, then I do have another video where I compare having an all-in-one versus having 2 pool cleaners, which is actually probably cheaper than having a all-in-one. But if you did have a all-in-one, I would say both of these do really good under the water and on the water lines, but definitely when it comes to skimming, Beatbot has it hands down. But you have to consider, is it worth that price or not? But if you want to check out that video of having all-in-one pool cleaner versus 2 pool cleaners, or if you're looking for a more affordable all-in-one pool cleaner, Beatbot has recently released the Sora 70, which is even cheaper than the Aiper. So check out those videos on screen right now. And if you guys are brand new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you get updates on all these great pool cleaners. And while you're at it, hit that like button. I truly appreciate it. I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.